Hello, in this video I'll show you how to download Windows 10 21H2 as multi-edition ISO from website Microsoft. We will compare the sizes of different ISO and find out why they are so different. For Windows 11 you can download the Media Creation tool, Update Assistant, and there is also a button for directly downloading the ISO file. With Windows 10, everything is a little different. Today, Microsoft does not allow you to download an ISO file. Paradoxically, this restriction only applies to Windows users. Users of macOS, Linux, and even mobile OS can download Windows 10 ISO. Let's restore justice. It's easy to do. I will show in the browser Google Chrome. To download ISO Windows 10 from Microsoft, you can type the following simple combination in Google search: ISO Windows 10 download. You can also click to the direct link to this site. I left it in the description of this video. Number 1. There is no direct link to the ISO file here. Microsoft hid it some years ago. A Windows user can only download MCT utility, run it, and use it to download the Windows 10 ISO. I will do so. Download Media Creation tool. Click here. The utility has been downloaded. I open the Downloads folder. File with name Media Creation Tool 21H2.exe. Launch here. Confirm. In this window, I accept the license to download the ISO. For download ISO file, here I choose the second option. Click Next. In this window you can select the language and bit depth system. For this you can uncheck here. I can select and download separately x86 and x64 file, or download both files. I choose this option and click Next. With the top selection you can immediately write the image to flash drive. Here I choose the bottom option again, ISO file. Next. I need to tell utility where to save the file. This will be the desktop. Click Save. While the process of downloading and creating ISO image will consider another method. I open this page of Microsoft site in browser, and for downloading ISO file directly, just press F12 key. The console with the developer tools has opened. At the top left, click on the button in the form of the phone and tablet. The left side of the Windows has changed. I turned it on mobile device mode. I can take a picture larger by clicking on the arrow and selecting, for example, 150%. Now just refreshing the page. If you take the mouse, you can see that the cursor is now in the form of finger. I click in the field Select Edition. Here I can choose Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. What is this Multi-Edition ISO? It wasn't like this before. Recently it was written here on Windows 10 November 2021 update. Actually, we always downloaded Multi-Edition ISO. Is an image that includes several editions of Windows such as Home, Pro, Education and so on. Microsoft has been calling everything nice lately. The Windows 10 November 2021 update is boring, isn't it? Windows 10 Multi-Edition I saw much cooler in my opinion. Choose it and click Confirm. Now I can choose the Windows language. Confirm again. Two buttons appeared. If I click on this, it will download Windows 10 32-bit. The first button is 64-bit version. I will choose this. Download started. To see all downloads, you can press a combination Ctrl and J. Both files are downloaded, the utility can be closed. One file in my desktop. I open the Downloads folder. Drag file from here to desktop. Size files are different and quite significant. To see the main reason for this difference, I will mount images. I can make it just double click. Or right click on the file and choose Mount. In both cases, I open the Sources folder. I find the main image file installed here. This ISO was downloaded using Media Creation tool, and this taught the browser. You can see here the ESD file extension. The file with this extension, much smaller, is a never compression format image. It compressed the file more strongly than .wim extension. When we use a Media Creation tool utility to download and create this more compressed ESD file. If the ISO downloaded directly, it is saved in the format .wim. That's why the files are so different in size. In different situations, the user will need files with both extensions, so both methods can be useful. In one of the following videos, we will edit the ISO file. This will give us one advantage. If you are interested, please support this video by like and comment. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Perhaps the video will be useful to your friends. Please share with them. I wish all viewers health. My name is Evgeny Yurtaev. See you soon.